This is Raj, and today we are explaining how you can use OBS Studio and configure it for live stream and as well as screen recording. Okay, so first of all, open any browser you want to use. So open it and search here OBS Studio. When you search OBS Studio, you can see the first link. Okay, click on the first link and download the setup. You have to download the Windows setup, or you can use other platforms. Okay, I'm using here Windows setup, so just I click here. When I click here, it's going to download the setup. Okay, here is the downloading. Okay, started downloading, and I'll close this downloading because I already have the setup. I'll open this setup, and you can see the setup. Just double click on this setup and it will ask you the permission you want to install it. Okay, click say yes. Okay, when you click and say yes, then it will appear the main setup. Okay, now you have to click on next and next and next, and when you click next, then it will going to install the tools on your operating system. Okay, so just wait little longer. You can see it is installed successfully, and you want to launch it. If you want to launch, just launch it. Okay, so I launched this software and show you the some interface and some configuration settings. So let's see. Wait little longer, and you can see here I already set up some settings here, and you can see my pictures here. Okay, so if you want to add some more settings, because if you can see the background, this is already recording the screen. Okay, you want to start live streaming, you can start live streaming and manage broadcast. You can go to settings and other things. Okay, you can open the settings here, and you can see all these kind of setting. Here you can go to live stream and start man and connect your account with live streaming channel. Okay, so you can go good to go. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.